Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel, but you can call me Chanty. And today I'm going to be showing you a fall look. So I thought instead of being super sad about saying goodbye to summer, we could be joyful about the incoming fall looks. It is a great time of the year where burnt orange and burgundy know no bounds, so let's dive into it. So I've already gone ahead and done my foundation, contour, and concealing, and eyebrows. Let's prime the eyes. And today I'll be using the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. This thing is almost at its end. It has given me many months of really good eyeshadow coverage. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with eyeshadow. And for our eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. I'm gonna show you how I use the oranges on the bottom here. So I'm gonna start with Au Naturel, which is this middle shade here. And I'm gonna start that out in my crease. I love how subtle Au Naturel is. Now I started off in the crease, but I'm also going to bring it up just a little bit higher as well. Now I'm going to go in with Hookup, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my eye. Only take it across the outer third, but I will take it a little bit into my crease. And once I have that built up enough, I'm going to take the excess along my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to fluff out those edges, just blend it into Au Naturel. Now lastly, I'm going to take Lace Teddy, and I'm going to put that across the rest of my eyelid and into the inner corner of my eye. And I just want to make sure that I blend out the edges so there's no harsh lines, and we have a nice blend from Hookup to Lace Teddy. Now I want to give myself a little bit of a winged eyeliner, so I'm going to go into my Full Exposure Smashbox palette, and I'm going to use this dark brown here to create a liner just on my top lash. I'm using a pencil shaped brush because I want it to be a bit of a smudgy, smoky liner. And I'm just kind of patting that down on the edge of my lash line. So before we go into bronzer, blush, and highlight, I'm just going to quickly put lash glue on my lashes. I'm going to be using the Quill Luxe False Lashes from the Sephora collection. For my bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Spotlight palette. This one's gold. I think I'm going to go for this one here. This one's kind of like a rose gold bronzer that I really like. Just going to take that all up along my hairline, just to warm up my face a little bit. And for blush, I'm going to use the Ciate Marbled Light Halo blush. Lately, I've really been liking keeping my blush a little bit further back on my face. I used to pull it forward to the center, but now, I don't know. The lashes are just about ready, so before we do highlighter, I'm just going to put mascara on my lashes. If you saw my false eyelash tutorial, then you'd know that you can either put on mascara first or you can put it on after you have your false eyelashes on. I personally like putting them on first. I don't think I mentioned that in that video, but yeah, I like to put my mascara on first and then I put on my lashes. Lashes on, let's wrap up the face portion so we can get to the lips. For highlight, I'm just going back into the Smashbox Spotlight palette and taking this highlighter here. I love this highlighter for just a subtle look. Just gives you a little bit of a glow. Finally, for lips, I'm going to start with my Rimmel London Clear Liner. I love using a clear lip liner first when I'm using colorful lipsticks, just because, especially for matte lipsticks like the one that I'm going to use, they tend to bleed a little bit more quickly, and I find that using the clear lip liner kind of helps slow that process. And finally, the green lipstick that I'll be using today is the Sephora brand matte lipsticks. They don't really have a name for this brand. I always love this part when the top portion's done, the bottom portion isn't. Looks like I have a really interesting mustache. Et voila! This is the final results of my fall green lipstick look. I feel like this time of year, dark reds and purples are really in, but who expects a green lipstick? Come on. I always love when I do wear my green lipstick out. I've done it a few times and I always get compliments on it because it's so unexpected. And I feel like people are just too afraid to try and use it year round, but this is a way you can do it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and are looking forward to the fall looks instead of being sad about summer. Okay, no, just put my makeup on. Let's be good. Let's be good. If you liked this look, if you like my vibe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy. I told myself I wasn't gonna cry. I must ask you a question.